Welcome to the best picks. The best spa water tester is probably one of the most important investments you can make for maintaining a clean and healthy spa, ensuring a relaxing and safe experience for you and your family. This handy device allows you to effortlessly monitor key water chemistry parameters, preventing skin irritation, equipment damage, and the growth of harmful bacteria, ultimately extending the lifespan of your spa and saving you money on costly repairs and replacements. This video will guide you through choosing the right tester for your needs. Number 5. JNW 7-Way Pool Test Strips. This kit provides an affordable and complete solution for testing your pool water. It checks crucial chemical levels, ensuring a safe and enjoyable swimming experience. Testing your pool or spa is now a breeze. Simply dip the strip in the water, wait briefly, and compare the results to the color chart for accurate readings. Get highly precise readings every time with these test strips. They help maintain the safety and cleanliness of your pool or hot tub water. Use them at least twice a week for optimal pool maintenance. It's easy to keep your water balanced and safe for swimming. We've included a free ebook with valuable tips and insights on using the strips and maintaining proper chemical levels. Enjoy a more comprehensive pool care experience. To ensure accuracy, keep them away from moisture and light, close the container tightly after each use, and use them within 90 days of opening. What we like? It's a cost-effective way to test various water parameters. If you're on a budget but need comprehensive testing, this is a great option. The included ebook provides additional support and guidance for maintaining your pool or spa. What people say. Accurate and easy to use. Colors change and instructions are precise and accurate. Easy to understand. Super fast testing. It is simple, affordable, and effective for everyday use, and it offers a great value for those looking to ensure the quality of their household water. Whether you're dealing with the effects of hard water or just want to stay informed, this kit delivers precise readings in an accessible and easy-to-understand format. Number 4. JNW Direct 6-in-1 Test Strips. Get 100 test strips for regular maintenance, keeping your water clean and enjoyable. It's an affordable way to ensure your pool or hot tub is always ready for a relaxing soak. Testing your water is a snap. Simply dip the strip, wait 30 seconds, and compare it to the color chart for accurate results in seconds. It's that easy. These test strips provide highly accurate and reliable readings, giving you peace of mind that your water is safe and healthy. Enjoy worry-free relaxation. Get our free ebook with valuable information on maintaining healthy water levels. Learn how to keep your spa or hot tub in perfect condition. Keep your fingers dry, close the cap tightly, and store them in a cool, dry place away from light and moisture. These simple steps will help extend the life of your test strips. Remember to test your water at least twice a week to keep it clean and safe. With these strips, maintaining perfect water is easy and affordable. What we like? This kit offers great value with 100 test strips. If you're looking for an economical solution for regular testing, this is a smart choice. The free ebook adds extra value and helps you maintain healthy water chemistry. What people say. Accurate and easy to use. Colors change and instructions are precise and accurate. Easy to understand. Super fast testing. It is simple, affordable, and effective for everyday use, and it offers a great value for those looking to ensure the quality of their household water. Whether you're dealing with the effects of hard water or just want to stay informed, this kit delivers precise readings in an accessible and easy-to-understand format. Number 3. EASYTEST 7-Way Pool Test Strips. This kit gives you 150 test strips, enough to keep your pool or spa water clean and safe. Regular testing, at least twice a week, is recommended for optimal results. Simply dip it in the water for a second, wait 15 seconds, and compare the color to the chart. It's that easy to get clear, accurate results. This kit tests 7 key water parameters at once: bromine, total alkalinity, pH, free chlorine, total hardness, cyanuric acid, and total chlorine. Keep your water perfectly balanced. They use high-quality materials for reliable results. No need to shake off excess water, just follow the simple instructions. For best results, avoid touching the strips with wet fingers and read them in natural daylight. Store them in a cool, dry place. With these easy-to-use test strips, maintaining the perfect water balance is simple and affordable. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your pool is safe and sparkling clean. What we like. It provides a large quantity of strips for frequent testing. If you need to test your water frequently and need a wide range of parameters, this is the perfect choice. Its quick testing time saves you valuable time. What people say. With just a quick dip into the water and a simple comparison to the color chart, I can accurately measure 7 different parameters, including chlorine, pH, alkalinity, and more. The accuracy of the test results is also impressive. I have compared the readings from these test strips to those obtained from professional laboratory testing, and they have consistently aligned, giving me confidence in the reliability of the results. One of the things I like is how easy it is to read the colors compared to other brands I've tried. It gives me clear results without guessing. Number 2. WWD Pool Test Kit. This easy-to-use kit helps maintain the perfect balance of chemicals in your pool. It's essential for a safe and enjoyable swimming experience. It features a clear testing unit with an easy-to-read scale and integrated color chart. Get precise chlorine and pH readings quickly. Inside, you'll find everything you need: 2 test solution bottles, a durable plastic tester, and a convenient carrying case for storage. Simply fill the test tubes with pool water, add the solution, shake, and compare the color to the chart for accurate results. It's that simple. Regular testing ensures your pool water is safe and clean. Remember to check the expiration date on the case before each use. Keep your pool sparkling clean and safe with this reliable and user-friendly testing kit. Enjoy worry-free swimming. What we like. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. If you prefer a straightforward testing method and only need to check chlorine and pH levels, this is a great option. Its simplicity makes it perfect for those who want quick and easy results. What people say. Does the job well. Seems to be pretty on point with the accuracy, and is simple to use. Does what's asked of it and is easy to use. I sell water filters, so this is a great asset to have. The test allows you to check the levels of chlorine and iron. I think I only use the chlorine part. It's very handy in the case it comes in and is accurate. Number 1. BOSIKE 6-in-1 Hot Tub Test Strips. It tests 6 key water parameters: total hardness, free chlorine, bromine, total chlorine, alkalinity, and pH. Get accurate results quickly and easily. Simply dip it, wait, and compare the color to the chart. You'll have precise readings in just 30 seconds. These strips are designed for hot tubs and spas, providing reliable results every time. Use them at least twice a week for optimal water care. The airtight bottle keeps them fresh and effective for a long time, ensuring consistent accuracy. Maintain balanced and clean water for your spa. Save money and time by testing your water at home. Enjoy a perfectly balanced spa experience with confidence. Maintain your hot tub or spa water with ease and precision. Get the most out of your at-home spa experience. What we like. It offers high accuracy and a large number of test strips. If precision is your priority and you need reliable results, this is the one for you. The high-quality strips ensure you get accurate readings every time. What people say. Works great and you get a good number of strips. Reading the strip is very easy compared to others. I've tried many different test strips for our hot tub and these by far are the best. I've never had any issues with these. They definitely help to keep all the chemicals where they need to be. Really easy to visually see on the strip what chemical is a bit low or high so you can adjust accordingly. I haven't had any issues of bleeding colors. Great quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.